Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about 4 hair care products, all of which are under 500 rupees. All these 4 products are from the same brand called Herb Island. Now this is not a sponsored video, I'm not getting paid to say any of this. I genuinely like their products. I have been testing it out for more than 6 months and I'm going to share my views on the 4 products with you guys. So I'm going to be talking about an Ayurvedic oil, a shampoo, a conditioner and a hair serum. So what happens in the monsoon is that our hair tends to become dry, limp and frizzy, and that happens because of the high level of humidity in the air. Now this set of products, the monsoon hair care combo, it targets those concerns, it targets those problems that we face with our hair in the monsoon season. So the first product that I'm going to be talking about is the Herb Island Ayurvedic Therapy Hair Oil. Now this is a blend of 5 oils and 12 essential herbs. It is free of mineral oil and parabens. I will tell you guys why I personally don't like having mineral oil in my hair care products. So the thing with mineral oil is that it kind of creates buildup on the scalp and your hair looks lifeless and lusterless because it is being weighed down by the leftover product residue on your scalp. So this oil, it's made with Sher Pak Vidhi, and it is an Ayurvedic process in which all the medicinal herbs are boiled in milk for a long time, and the thing is, it kind of removes the drying effect of the herbs and adds the moisturizing effect of the milk. So the first ingredient in the Ayurvedic therapy hair oil is the black sesame seed oil. Now that helps with dandruff. It has coconut oil, which again promotes hair growth, decreases hair loss, and it has castor oil, which triggers hair growth. It has rice bran oil, it has olive oil, so it's got some really good oils as its base. So it has a lot of beautiful extracts which make it extremely effective. So the first one is Amla. It makes hair shinier, smoother and more voluminous. It has Jadamansi extract and Brahmi extract, both of which promote hair growth. It has Bhringraj extract, which prevents dandruff, graying, and it also promotes hair growth. So it does have a really good array of botanical extracts and herbs infused in it, and all the ingredients are such that it will promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. I'm not going to get into each and every ingredient because then we would be here all day and I don't think anyone wants that. The one thing I want to highlight about this oil is the fact that it really helped with my dandruff and dry itchy scalp. So another thing that I want to highlight about this oil is the fact that you actually feel like using it because of how lightweight it is, and also because it's so beautiful. It's got herbs floating around in the golden oil and I just think it's so very pretty. It is not heavy or greasy whatsoever. It's got a beautiful mild fragrance which I personally like a lot. The thing I like about this hair oil is the fact that it is multi-purpose. Now it really helped me with my dandruff and my dry itchy scalp, and it has ingredients that promote hair growth. So and I feel like it's a win-win situation because you're not only getting oil that works against dandruff, you also have all these beautiful ingredients that promote hair growth. And the thing is, my hair feels healthier since I've started using it. This is my second bottle, I think. It retails for 300 rupees for 100 ml and I would highly recommend it. It is worth every penny. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about is the Forest Berries shampoo, and this shampoo has a gel-like consistency. It lathers really well, and the best part is it is sulfate and paraben free, which is what I personally prefer. So what are sulfates? Sulfates are basically cleansing agents, and these cleansing agents might be too harsh and may lead to dryness and irritation. So this shampoo, it cleanses well without leaving the hair and the scalp feeling dry, and it has a beautiful fragrance of crushed berries or berry gelatos or mixed berry ice cream. So I personally love the smell of berries, which is why I absolutely love using this shampoo. So it's got some lovely ingredients. It's got different sorts of berry extracts, it's got aloe vera juice, soy protein, it's got grapeseed oil, veggium oil. So really good ingredients, and it retails for 375 rupees for 200 ml, which I think is a steal because this bottle will last you quite some time, and it is very gentle. You can use it every 2 days and not worry about it being too drying or too harsh. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about is the Forest Berries conditioner. It again smells like crushed berries, which I absolutely love. It helps in softening my hair, and I was able to detangle my hair very easily after wash, which is usually not the case. So I'm glad that I tried this conditioner out because oh my god, detangling my hair wasn't easy whatsoever. This conditioner has a soft, creamy texture, and it doesn't feel slippery like most of those other silicone based conditioners, which I really like. It's got a lovely ingredients list. It's got extracts of different sorts of berries. It's got really nourishing ingredients like shea butter, olive oil, pea protein. So yeah, I'm overall really impressed with the ingredients list and the texture. I believe that it is a great conditioner that can be used on a regular basis, and it retails for 375 rupees for 200 ml, and it will last you quite a while. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about is the Moroccan Argan Oil Hair Serum by Herb Island. Now this serum, it makes my hair silky, smooth, shiny and very manageable. It has quickly become one of my favorites. Actually, it is my favorite, and I reach out for this every single day. I don't think I'll be switching to any other hair serum anytime soon. It is also mineral oil and paraben free, which is what I prefer. So the very first ingredient is Moroccan Argan Oil, which is amazing because it adds shine to dull, lifeless hair, and it increases the hair's elasticity. So apart from the Moroccan Argan Oil, it's also got jojoba oil, it's got almond oil, and it's got olive oil. So I use this serum in multiple ways. I use it before styling, I use it after styling, I use it on slightly damp, towel dried hair post wash, and it makes the whole process of detangling my hair very easy. I absolutely love the serum, and I would recommend it to everyone. Like, it doesn't matter what your hair type is, you will absolutely love this serum. So it retails for 375 rupees for 50 ml, and you can use my code Tirtha. I will just leave it in the description box also. Use code Tirtha and avail 20% off on all Herb Island products if they are not already on sale. So yeah, that was my review of the Monsoon Hair Care Combo, and I'm not being paid to say any of this. This is not a sponsored video. I absolutely love their hair care products, which is why I'm recommending it to you guys. And you don't have to restrict yourself to using these products in the monsoon season. This can be used all year round. If you have dandruff issues, if you have frizzy hair, this combo will definitely help you. Yeah, so I highly recommend it, and yeah, that's all for the video, guys. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Please drop a like if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.